How to draw a playground slide, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing the playground slide, let's go ahead and draw the first pull of the ladder. And if you're new to learn how to draw Hub, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like this one. So if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot, and I highly recommend that you subscribe to see more videos just like this. Nicely done. Next, let's go ahead and draw the first piece of the slide, which will be attached to the ladder that we just drew together. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. Fantastic! So far this is a great start. Next, we're going to go ahead and draw the second piece of the slide, which will be attached to what we just drew together. Now, we will draw an outline around the line that we just drew to finish drawing the outline of our slide. And if you are enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. So now that we are all done drawing the slide, the next step will be to finish drawing the ladder that we first started earlier on in today's video. Now we will go ahead and draw the second pole right behind the first one that we previously drew. Once we are done drawing this, the next step will be to draw the steps of the ladder, which will be made by smaller rectangular shapes. At the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause and match your colors. This is how to draw a cartoon slide. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. At the end of today's video, I'm going to show a couple video recommendations. Great job, and see you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.